And I mean, it's been terrific to be at the event. It's my first year at Zoholics, and it's a game changer just to meet the team.
I must say, for the past 1.5 days, almost 2 days, I was able to gain a lot of knowledge. And for the session that I had today with Rishi and also Girish was great.
I guess understanding the scale of Zoho has been the biggest learning part for me. It wasn't until recently that I learned that there's more to Zoho than just people and the expenses module. There's CRM, there's one. The scale of what has been produced today has been fantastic.
Within our business, I've been working on some custom functionality, and I just needed a little bit of help from the developers here. So we just sat down together and write some code together, and it's all worked out, yeah.
The sessions that I've gone into yesterday, a standout was the AI talk, which was just mind-blowing. The small piece of information that I got from the guy is a life changer. I've got what I was doing, what he's given me to do, will cut down 5 Google Sheets of work to just doing one entry.
It's like such a vibrant event full of really passionate people about the entire ecosystem. The Zoho team, the Zoho staff, they've been wonderful, approachable and really willing to answer any questions.
The session was quite interactive. I got a chance to ask so many questions in between, and it was easily explained. It was really nice. I got so many new information. I got a chance to meet so many new people.
I'm a bit like a kid in a candy shop. I'm probably going to be staying around a bit longer than I thought I was going to at the start.